Oh, that's great.
I'm Zara and I'm from Essex.
I'm Sky, I'm from Michigan.
I'm Cristina, I'm from Bucharest. Zara and I are roommates, and when I walked into the room, nobody said anything except her dad.
Yeah, my whole family was there, but I didn't feel like speaking to her.
And he interviewed me, asked me all the questions. Zara didn't have anything else to ask
Yeah,
me.
he took all the small talk and I was just there like, what's left to ask?
And then Zara and I met the day afterwards, and we were like the only two stragglers, so we kind of grouped together.
And then we realised Sky lives down our corridor, so it was very convenient to stay friends because I wasn't going to trek to another floor. No.
What I like the most is that we're close to everything. Classes, food, library, gym.
My favourite thing is having roommates. Like, although Christina's my actual roommate, kind of feels like I live with Sky, we're always together and you can do a lot more things together. You can wake up in the morning, go get all your meals, go to your classes together, and it's a lot easier to have a day out in London if you all just live together and are Ubering back to the same place.